close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause we're dead if they knew. So close your eyes, escape this town for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you weren't around, my faith in you was fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. It's just in my head, I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Joan, I love you, and that's all I really know. I talked to your dad, you'll pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. We were both young when I first saw you.
Namaste, pranam, salam, vanakkam, welcome, sat sri akal, copy to all. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hi, मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त और होस्ट आरजे राहुल मंजर. जी हाँ, राहुल, you must have heard the name, like they always say, नाम तो सुना होगा, मंजर शायद नहीं सुना होगा. I'm really proud having worked with Red FM, Radio 1, Radio City. But tonight, it's not about me. Tonight, it's about the Nambiars and the Nayars. Yes, they have the power of N and N से infinity तक. लेकिन we have with us Divankar sir, we have with us Lata ma'am, we have with us Balachandran sir, we have with us Krishna ji. We also have Suraj ji and Veena ji. But I'm looking forward to meeting the two mega superstars. And yes, they are Aditya and Vani. And it's a glorious time of the year. We get to welcome them. So ladies and gentlemen, tonight, don't keep your mobile phones on silent mode. Keep your mobile phones with your videos on. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आज जीबी और टीवी भी कम पड़ेगा. So keep your mobile phones on because this is the grandest entry that you will ever see. But like they always say, यहाँ पर Aditya और Vani के लिए, they've got AD in their name. So Aditya और Vani के लिए, we're going to do a countdown. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I would request you to clear the center area except for our photography team. Yes, that is Twitch photography. बाकी सभी लोग side में हो जाए. Serving staff be at the side. Please don't enter the center aisle. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your mobile phones on and we are ready to do the countdown. I say 10, you say? नहीं यार, starter थोड़ा और serve करो, थोड़ी energy और develop होनी चाहिए. I say 10, you say? हाथ ऊपर करके 10, 8, 6, 4, 2.
பரவும் பாடும் என் ஆசை பெரியோசை இசையாகும். இந்த திருமண கொண்டாட்டம் நம் குடும்ப ஆர்ப்பாட்டம் என் உலகத்தை வாழும். இந்த அதிசய கல்யாணம் நம் இதயம் வரையும் கோலம் என் உலகத்தை வாழும். உள்ளம் பாடும் பாடும் நம் கதையை சொல்லும் காதல்.
बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. हाथ से ये कैसे अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधेरों को कोई नूर. बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
चिपक के चलती है कभी कभी दो राहें.
जुड़े जुड़े कुछ ऐसे के लगा हम जैसे गाँव.
डबल डबल होती थी जो कभी कभी तकलीफें.
किसी किसी में चलने से हुई हाथ से काम.
ओ तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा किस्सा
रंगी
कभी कभी चलती है कभी कभी रुकती कहानी बेढंगी. कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी नॉर्थ साउथ की गई देखो दूरी ही सारी.
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी.
50-50 हर सिचुएशन में हिस्सेदारी.
एक तरफ तो झगड़ा है साथ फिर भी तगड़ा है. दो कदम चलते हैं तो लगता है आठ है.
दो तरह के फ्लेवर 100 तरह के तेवर दर बदर फिरते हैं जी फिर भी अपनी ठाट है. कभी कभी चले सीधे कभी मुड़ जाए कभी कभी कहीं टूटे कहीं जुड़ जाए. हम शाम शहर के चारों पहर के मूड में ढल जाए. कश्मीर में तू कन्याकुमारी उत्तर में दक्षिण को अफलातून आंख मारी.
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी.
दिल बेचने जाए तो फिर ये दुनिया सारी है. चिपक के चलती है कभी कभी दो राहें.
जुड़े जुड़े कुछ ऐसे
रंगी, कभी कभी चलती है कभी कभी रुकती कहानी बेढंगी। कश्मीर में तो कन्याकुमारी, नॉर्थ साउथ की गई देखो पूरी ही सारी।
कश्मीर तू मैं कन्याकुमारी,
50-50 हर सिचुएशन में
हिस्सेदारी।
You know, this movement was so powerful. Ladies and gentlemen, you give them a standing ovation. Let's have a big round of applause for the superstars. Give it for Aditya and Ronnie. I need everybody with their hands up in the air. Come on, हाथ ऊपर, हाथ ऊपर, हाथ ऊपर, हाथ ऊपर. Okay, now this is the most beautiful moment ever. Okay, and I'm not going to take, you know, I do things differently. लेकिन आज की शाम कुछ अलग करते हैं, okay? And let's do things differently. Everybody's got their mobile phones. Mobile phones. Get out of mobile phones. जहाँ पर खड़े हैं, वहीं खड़े रहिए. Mobile phones with flashlights. Everybody. Let's do this differently. Let's do this differently. Everybody. Mobile phones outside, flashlights on. People in the center, everybody. I want all the people standing right now to raise their mobile phones. Let's give them a concert feel right here. तो पीछे बीच में खड़े हैं, okay? Friends coming from US, everybody, people at the back. Everybody's got a mobile phone, Apple, जो भी हो, OnePlus. Let's give them an exciting warm welcome. All right, everybody hands together. People in the center, up in the air. I need to see hands up in the air. I'm going to do things differently. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we go straight left and right. People in the center, come on, just center में है, left and right. I'm gonna play, you know, usually ये English tradition होता है called the first dance. So you get straight around and then we're gonna do the first dance. Are you ready? Can't hear you. Are you ready? It's time for lights, camera and action, romance. Here we go. Let's play the first dance song. Come on, make some noise, go!
जितन धूप लगे आवे, तन छाँव बन जावे।
Everybody hands up in the air.
खुशियों के खातिर मैं सारे जग से लड़ जाऊं। है मेरी यही आरज़ू कि तेरा ही मैं साथ दूं, तेरा बन के रहूं सदा मैं परछावां। तू मेरी दिल में तेरा बंझा करता हूँ मैं तुझसे ये वादा, तेरे बगैर ना कोई दूजा सोनिए। तू मेरी दिल में तेरा बंझा, चाहूँ तुझे मैं खुद से भी ज्यादा, बन जा सोनिए।
Can you give them a loud cheer, everybody? A big round of applause for the two superstars right here, right here. Yeah, ये पहली बार, you know, look at the audience. Just turn around and look at the audience. We've got such a wonderful audience. Give yourself a loud cheer, everybody. Okay, the party is just started. अभी तो party शुरू हुई है. I request the jury to join us at the chairs. Thank you so much and congratulations one more time. I'm amongst the privileged few to welcome and congratulate you on stage. Thank you so much, Aditya. Thank you so much, Ronnie. And a big warm welcome to the entire audience. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ajay Rao saying, Abhi to party! शुरू हुई है. We just got the party started. It's time for, you know, हम जब भी शुरुआत करते हैं, especially मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र, we worship. जी हाँ, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि टीवी में मेरे फेवरेट है अमिताभ बच्चन का करोड़पति, टेनिस में मेरे फेवरेट है महेश भूपति, और देवों में देवों के देव मेरे प्यारे गणपति. So ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the first Ganpati song, the Ganesh song by Sujit and his dance team, and lots of fun coming up right here just for you.
मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्त चामर कर्ण विलोपित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनाशक पद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते पाद नमस्ते कम.
Yeah, a big round of applause for the first performance of the evening. And ladies and gentlemen, the party is just started. Okay, what I'm going to do now is something very interesting. Okay, I'm going to go and do something very unique. Here we do something which is unexpected and fun as well. So ladies and gentlemen, the first thing that we do at weddings is that we click pictures. Okay, so बहुत सारे pictures click करते हैं. We kind of go, and the first thing that we've been doing is we click pictures. So यहाँ पर करने क्या वाले हैं? We're going to go and do a very interesting round with all the cousins. देखते हैं वो कौन है. Okay, so I'm going to invite all the cousins right here and friends. We have Grishma, Aishwarya, Shruti, Srinath, Mukil. Can we have everybody join in for a minute or two? Come on guys, with your mobile phones. Okay, with your mobile phones. So all the cousins right here, okay, quickly, all the cousins can quickly join us on stage with your mobile phones. Mobile phones के साथ में ASAP, जल्द से जल्द. Okay, all friends, all cousins. Okay, Radhika, Arju, Praju, Kirti, Nidhi Nair. Okay, I'm waiting for all friends, all cousins, but you need to have mobile phone in hand. Mobile phone साथ में आना चाहिए. Okay, so Nidhi, quickly, and the entire team, Grishma, Shreya, Mukil, Srinath, Radhika, Arju, Praju, Kirti, and Nidhi Nair. You got a few names here. Anybody listening right here in the audience, friends, cousins? Vignesh, quickly join in, quickly. And this gang of girls, okay, join with your mobile phones, Come. Okay, right here, ASAP, super. Okay, so what you're going to do right now is something very interesting and very smooth. Okay, so this is a fun round that we're going to do right now. Alright, and the girls are judge here, so the girls are deciding who is the best. I need one more guy to come into the picture. One more guy who's like the bodybuilder of the group. Okay, one more guy. Who else? Shubham. Join in Shubham right here. Okay. So this round is called the Bahubali round. Okay. So what we're going to do is the girls are going to judge here. Okay. So girls are purely judging here. No back problems, some feet. Okay. So what these four are going to do is a challenge that nobody's seen at any wedding. They are going to do the Bahubali round. Okay. The Bahubali or the Pushparaj round. One of them is the Sultan or the Pushparaj of the wedding. पर कौन है मैं नहीं बता सकता. You need to swing a prop for a minute and a half, 90 seconds. Okay? And I'll show you what the prop is. आइए. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Desi dumbbell, one for you, buddy. Okay, one here, two here. Then you have some music in the background to reach it. Two, right here. Okay, girls this side, 3 and 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's what you need to do. Very good. Time's up, time's up, time's up. Okay, so girls, hey, control, yeah, control. Okay, how many people come? Girls, what's your goal? Who did the best? Who did the best? Very difficult. Okay, audience right there. How many people cheering for you? Make some noise there. लगता है जीपे किया सबको. Okay, I'm gonna go to that side. How many people cheering for you? Make some noise there. Your close friends definitely cheering for you, buddy. How many people cheering for you? Make some noise. And how many people cheering for you? Make some noise. Okay, so clearly both of you are the winners because you got a 50% vote. But I think all 4 of them did really well. So let's tell you a big round of applause for all 4 of them. You will keep the props at the side, please. Yes, you keep it at the side. And ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to welcome. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Now, yes, we just got the party started, but just in case, if you need to grab something, you've got the starters going around. But in case you need something to eat, make sure you grab a bite. And yes, food is definitely served. But in the meantime, now I introduce the most exciting part of the evening, which is a wonderful band, and they are known as the Playlist. कहते हैं ना, तुम गाने मांगो, हम तुम्हें playlist देंगे, because they are a wonderful troupe together, and they have Manohar, Anjana, Mahika, Vaishnavi, Gopal on the vocals. We've got Ashokit on the guitars, Fazur on the electric guitar. We've got Daksh on flute, Shivam keyboard, Ajay on tehran, and this is Ajay Rao saying, it's time for the superstar band performance with the Playlist. Here we go.
Dedicated to you.
For that amazing mesmerizing performance. Can you have a loud cheer for the playlist, everybody? It was so good, alright? We just got started and we are going to come back with something really exciting and a special surprise, especially for you, Aditya and Mani. So hold on, we'll come to that here. There's some food counters that are open, if somebody wants to enjoy the starters are there. The party is right there for all the girls. And yes, now it's time for our next performance. It's going to be an out and out Bollywood act by a team that gave you the entry performance. Yes, ये एक ऐसी टीम है जो जहाँ पर जाती है धमाल बजाती है. You're up for RDT, that is Rocket Dance Team. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a blockbuster run. तो जहाँ कहीं भी आप, please yourself, stand with your mobile phones and कोई भी moment ना करें because there's going to be a complete display of Bollywood. एकदम धमाका स्टार. Over the radio stage, it's time for me to exit. It's time for a blockbuster performance right here, right now.
You have 5 seconds to catch your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let the attack begin.
Have a loud cheer for the entire dance troupe, Rahul dance team, doing a son of a job. जी हाँ, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Yes, now before we proceed, it's time to proceed to our next performance of the evening. Well. Up, the party is just going to the next level because यहाँ पर it's time for Sujit's dance team to join us on stage with a dazzling performance which बहुत ही special होने वाला है. Okay, so we're going to see shimmer, shine, glitter all throughout this evening and ये परफॉर्मेंस देखकर आपका भी दिल मतलब यहाँ पर ना वो दिल चुरा के ले जाएंगे. So they're going to win your performance with their next act. So can we have the entire dance team, Sujit dance team, join us on stage for the next act right here. And our next performance, here we go. Can we have a big cheer for the entire team, Amrita, Nidhi, Shravya, Akshay, Kalpesh and my dear Bani. And a big cheer for Sujit, dance team, SDT. Wonderful. Way to go guys, super. Keep the energy guys. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now going to our next act, okay? लेकिन उससे पहले I'm going to call somebody on stage जिनके नाम में ही राज है, okay? So I'm going to call Suraj and Veena on stage. Veena Vani की sister है and Suraj obviously is Jiju. Okay, so join us, Didi and Jiju on stage like we say in the Indian weddings. Please quickly join us. अब इन्होंने the reason why I got them on stage, Ronnie and Adi, this is for you. The reason why I got them on stage is that they, in one of the smaller functions, sang a song for you all. So for the people who missed it, it's time for an action replay right here, okay? And Sudhak is going to take a lead right here. So this is going to be a fun, interesting song right here before we go ahead with the next time. I request you to join us, set the stage, and okay. Veena is officially not going to sing. Veena, join us here. But I want you to wish the couple before you start singing. Okay, but in Malayalam.
Vani, Adi, from the bottom of my heart, I wish you a lot of wishes and all my blessings, all our blessings. And,
Sir, you want to say congratulations or all the best, sir?
I would say all the best. Okay, a small song, a small dedication to Vani and Adi. ശ്രീരാഗമോ തേടുന്നു നീ വീണതൻ പൊൻപൊന്നേ സ്നേഹാർദ്രമാ ഏതോ പദം തേടുന്നു നാം ഈ നമ്മൾ മൗനമോ കുമാരമായി നിൻവാദമോ ഭൂപാലമായി എൻ മുന്നിൽ നീ പുലർക്കന്യയായി ശ്രീരാഗമോ തേടുന്നു നീ വീണതൻ പൊൻപൊന്നേ.
Thank you so much. Very loud cheer for the two of them, Sudhak and Veena. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I've got a pendant right here. If you're missing a pendant, which is red and gold, come to me and collect it from me. In the meantime, I keep it with myself. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our next act with Devika, Misri, Saga, Dilsha, Bhavya, Nidhi, Ashwati, Vivin, Sayush and Cyril. So requesting the entire group to join us on stage. It's a surprise act, something which comes from the friends and family. So Arya, join us on stage for a very interesting performance. You are going to love this one. You are very close to the finale. जी हाँ, finale के एकदम करीब हैं. So without your ado, hold on to your seatbelts.
Towards the end.
Sirkoya minna
पीछे आ सारे team, hip hip, hip hip, hip hip. Wonderful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are proceeding with the next act of the day. But a humble request to all our family members, please 2 minutes के लिए बैठ जाइए. We are only 3 dances to the finale. Until then, we've kept the meet and greet on hold. So it will take 10 to 15 minutes. 5-10 minutes के लिए please be seated. विराजमान होइए. Humble request to family because we're going to do the meet and greet on stage only when the entire last act gets done. Okay, so please family members, please be seated for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes के लिए please बैठ जाइए. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for we saw a lot of interesting performances, but now it's time for Vani's friends group to dance on stage because they have a surprise for Vani and Adi. और प्यार से हमें जो बोलते हैं Adu and Cherry. So Adu and Cherry, this one's for you. Yes, something very sweet from friends. Okay, so join us, Vani's friends, Kritika, Yogita, Rutuja, Surbi, and Nidhi. Please join us on stage. Camera, action. Everybody hands together, come on. Are you ready? Let's give it up together and back together. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the superstar, beautiful What an amazing one. A big cheer. Quick picture together. With the entire gang of friends all together. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our next act. Yes, very close to the finale, 2 dances away from the finale. But before we do that, I'm going to call somebody on stage who needs no introduction because they are the parents. Where are Divakaran sir and Lata ma'am, and where are Bhalachandran sir and Krishna ma'am? Can we get them on stage? Can you get them on stage for a minute or two? Sir, wherever you are, ma'am, wherever you are, join us on stage. The directors, the producers of the show, Please, Diwakar sir, Lata ma'am, Balachandran sir, Krishna ma'am, please. A minute or two. We just need a minute of your time. Please join us. In the meantime, yes, Krishna ma'am could also join in. आइए सर जब तक आप आ जाइए, we will call out for them. Okay. So here's the time. A very special moment. A very special time for the entire family to join in quickly. Okay. Quickly, if you could page in right here. Krishna ma'am, if you could join in. Alright. In the meantime, you all can join in. Ma'am will join us in a minute or two. Please join us for 30 seconds. आइए. Alright. Please, you could join us. Paging for Krishna ma'am, wherever you are, please join us. Okay? आइए sir. In the meantime, if you could join in. So, I'll connect with them in like a minute or two till ma'am comes. आइए, जब तक आपके साथ I'm gonna have a quick chat. First of all, congratulations. The happiest people on the planet right now are the two of you all and Vani ke mummy papa. But sir, I've got to learn a little Malayalam. आज मुझे थोड़ी मलयालम सीखनी है. Okay? I should learn ना, थोड़ा सा तो आना चाहिए ना भाई. Okay? I've been talking to, yes. Thank you so much, Krishna ma'am. Thank you so much, Balachandran sir, for joining in. Please. Well, the girls, good sit, stand together. जोड़ी में खड़ा होना है. I don't want to be कबाब में हड्डी. Okay? So, I'm going to learn a little Malayalam, sir. Okay? I'm just thinking, what if superstars of Bollywood spoke Malayalam? Okay? Imagine Shah Rukh Khan speaking in Malayalam. अगर वो अपने डायलॉग मलयालम में बोलते तो कैसे होते? So I'm going to give you a Shah Rukh Khan dialogue and you have to say it in Malayalam. Okay? Simple? Very easy, sir. Malayalam में आपको translate करना है. But since you have a beard, sir, I'm going to give you a Pushparaj dialogue. Okay? Line is very simple. नाम सुन के flower समझी क्या? Flower नहीं, fire हूँ मैं. Okay? What is this line would have been in Malayalam? Okay, I'm going to give you a very simple line. कुछ होता है, आप नहीं समझोगे. Okay? शाहरुख खान in Malayalam, ladies and gentlemen. कुछ होता है, आप नहीं समझोगे. I'm going to keep this at the side. कुछ सर हिंदी में बोल दो, आप नहीं समझोगे मलयालम में बोल दो. Okay? But Shahrukh Khan comes with his own swag. So one leg forward. आइए, looking at man. तो ये वाला leg आगे. Left leg forward. Now आप ये बाजू देखिए. Okay? Audience हमें वहाँ से देखिए. We can join on to that side. Okay, sir. One right leg forward. Right. थोड़ा सा इधर आइए. मैम थोड़ा पास में आइए. Social distancing is good, but not at ladies. One leg forward. Okay? One at the back. And you have to do your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you are not here, everybody. Sir, and a little effect which comes with silence. Hey. Line is कुछ होता है, आप नहीं समझोगे. Hey. Looking at man. Okay? Lights, camera, action.
कुछ होता है, നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കില്ല.
Wonderful. Okay? Alright? And I'm going to go to you, sir. Line is very simple. Okay? You have to say, यहाँ पर आइए. Look at man. I'm giving you a Salman Khan line. Okay? Line is very simple. एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. Once if I commit to something, I don't listen to myself. Okay? Now is like, Sachin, okay? Join us here at the side. Alright? Lights, camera, action.
If I could do all these things, Salman Khan would be there in the ballroom. Thank you.
Wonderful. No problem, sir. A big round of applause for the two of them. Zoradar Talia. A big picture right here for the camera. A big picture right here. Thank you so much. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, going ahead with our next act of the day. Let's proceed. And यहाँ पर it's time for you saw Vani's praised us. Now it's time for Adi's praise. जी हाँ, so let's go Grishma, Aishwarya, Shruti, Srinath and Nikhil. Join us guys on stage. मजा नहीं आने वाला, no. I would not. Are you ready to? Everybody, Adi, louder. जोर से कहो. Do you bring it on, buddy? Okay, lights, camera, action!
അതാണ് ഞാൻ കുടുംബത്തിന്റെ മഹിമ. എല്ലാ പൈപ്പിലുള്ള പൊളിയാ.
उत्सव अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Let's coming on in progress. We